Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create Lemon8 account. First, you'll have to download the application on your phone and open it. And once you open it, it will ask you for the permission for the notifications. Click on allow, then choose your birthday and click on next. It will ask you what is your pronoun. You'll have to choose the gender, then click on next. And now you'll have to add your interests. So after selecting multiple interests, you can click on next. And after that, you can continue with Google, use a phone or email, continue with Apple, or even continue with Facebook. After that, you should enter your email. Then now you will have to set up your profile. So you have to add a profile name, then click on next. Then they will ask you to give the permission in order to add any photo that you need. Once you add the photo and click on next, it will show you here this page. You can now click on the top right corner on this gear icon, then go to account, then go to link TikTok and log in using your TikTok account. And this step is essential for linking your TikTok to your Lemon8 account. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.